What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new episode from Sao Tome. Just landed from the island of Principe on the island of Sao Tome and starting a new journey to explore the island. Right now we're gonna head to some of the sightseeing spots here that we have not covered in our first couple of days here in Sao Tome. The weather was crappy. We flew, it rained pretty much the whole way. Just the good part is that the flight is just 30-35 minutes. Flew with a Saab 340, yeah, a 30-seater. So yeah, very small plane that just goes to 440 kilometers per hour. But yeah, just landed, gonna go and explore it. The rain did stop, so that's the marvelous part. You know, it's been tough in Sao Tome with all the amount of rain that we just had, but it is what it is, guys. You know, it's definitely worth to come here. You know, kind of pick probably October, probably September, a little bit better than November, but either way, this is the jungle that we're on. It looks very similar to some of the regions we have seen in Principe. There's a waterfall here, not huge or anything. It seems like it's in steps, but yeah, we're gonna see exactly what portion of it it's visible. But yeah, without any further delay, let's get this Sao Tome exploration day underway. Check out this bamboo tunnel right here, guys. Quite nice. It's not very big, not very wide, but still pretty cool how it formed naturally. Extremely nice. Check it out. Check out the views, guys. Outstanding. Wild Africa at its best. More serene landscapes all throughout, guys. You know, I cannot recommend Sao Tome and the island of Principe enough. It's been phenomenal everywhere we've been. Even though it's been raining, like I mentioned, it's just phenomenal to see the nature at its best. The nature in a state that is very narrowly visited. You know, very few visitors all throughout. And we have made it to the waterfall as well. It looks like a tree has fallen down. It's blocking the view, damn it. We'll see exactly what type of footage we can get. Most likely you can go at the bottom on this side path right here. So yeah, not extremely tall, but you know, the location, check that out. Superb nonetheless. And made it at the bottom. Check out that flow, guys. It's really loud and it's splashing us all throughout, but beautiful. Reminds me a little bit of La Fortuna in Costa Rica, the shape and everything. But the bad thing is it's starting to rain again really bad, so I gotta head. This is pretty much all I'm gonna get. I was gonna fly the drone a little bit, but can't do it. It's pouring too much. Check that out. An hour later, made it to another waterfall, but unfortunately still raining, guys. Not as hard as previously, but still, you know, you cannot get a break today in Sao Tome. Weather-wise, it's been horrible, but either way, you know, you never know when you're gonna come back, so you gotta do the most of it. You gotta visit as much as you can, no matter what the conditions. You gotta, you know, pull your belt, and then you gotta go and do as much as you can. But yeah, stunning. A little bit dirty just because, you know, the rain and everything, but still nonetheless superb. So just for archive purposes, again, gotta get myself in the footage with the waterfall on a rainy day here in Sao Tome. Not very big waterfall, 20 meters, I'll say max, probably 15, but you know, another attraction. Still raining, just exploring the downtown area. Looks like they have a little lighthouse here and a little fortress, if I can call it that way. The waves are pretty strong. But yeah, this is you know, a day that was almost destroyed by the rain, you know, exploration wise, tourism wise, whatever you want to call it. But it looks like the people in Sao Tome, they've still decided that a football game cannot be stopped by any rain. Was it a goal or is it not a goal? Who knows? That's where the argument will be. We got some statues here as well by the fortress. Not sure exactly who these people are. There's no inscriptions or anything. But yeah, more of the downtown area. Check out the black rocks. Trying to get a good positioning so I can get some views of the fortress. Can't see the lighthouse from here, but still pretty decent views, no doubt. Just like that, jumping into the next day, just because we got rained out yesterday. Haven't done much, but check this out. We got, for the first time in Sao Tome, sun, so I can actually take my shirt off and get some tan. Blue skies. We're here at one of the peaks where you can take a bath in the laguna, see the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. Beautiful, beautiful turquoise. Like I mentioned, guys, this landscape of Sao Tome and Principe is outstanding. Unless, you know, even though the weather's crappy, you're still gonna enjoy it. But yeah, finally, I'm super grateful that we're able to actually get some sunlight and get out there and explore a little bit more. Explore with no restrictions from the weather. Let me turn around the camera so you guys can actually see the beautiful turquoise a little bit better with the baobab trees right there. Check that out. Superb, superb, superb for the first time. You cannot imagine how grateful I am right now that we get some blue skies. I did manage to fly the drone a little bit right here, and with enough blabbling, I'm just gonna put some of that footage, even though, like you see right there, a lot of hawks, guys, that they attacked my drone a couple of times. So I had to avoid it, you know. I have to cut the footage from the drone a little bit so it won't show the, you know, the left right that I had to take in order to avoid the hawks. But without any further delay, let's get this beautiful sunny day underway here in Sao Tome.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. Is it so hard to let you go? Let you go.
So guys, we have made it to this one beach on the western part of the island of Sao Tome, and check out that view right there. Damn, I don't think I've seen that many palm trees on such an inclined hill. Spectacular. Definitely gonna try to put the drone up right here for some footage because it's just too awesome.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? Let you go. Let you go.
Just by the road, guys, check out this waterfall. 20 meters or so. This is the road and this is the waterfall. Spectacular, no doubt. I'm getting soaking wet, but yeah, quite remarkable. We've seen 3 so far, but this is the biggest one.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go.
So after a very confusing road, we have made it to another beach, Boca Bella or Bella Boca, something like that. And the reason why it's called that way, most likely because this rock, with its opening, this little arch, everything is in shade right now, so you can't see much, but you can get an idea.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go?
And guys, putting an end to this episode from Sao Tome. Just made it back to the accommodation, and it looks like we have a little bit of color in the sky as well, you know, just to top off the beautiful weather today. Finally a sunset with some color in it, no doubt. This is typically where you see the sunrise really nice, but yeah, this is, you know, still grateful for having a day where we did not have to take cover for the rain. But until next time, guys, appreciate you tuning in. If you have made it so far into the video, definitely give it a subscribe, definitely give it a like, whatever you think this deserves. Gratitude should be the only attitude. Stay humble, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.